we are logged in our WordPress dashboard. From these left-hand side options, navigate on Post. Now the sub-options opened. So we are going to choose the second one, this Add New option. Click on it. So here it is showing you a welcome message. Close this up. So here we are. You can add your post title here. Write it up here. And below here, your blog content will come. Type up or paste it if you've already written it. So here we have our post content. You can do formatting also. Suppose you want to bold. Then select the text and click on this bold button. You can change block type or style from here. Then you can move a block up or down from here, like this. Also, if you want to insert a backlink, you can add it with this button. It will open up and ask for the URL you want to insert it. Click on this Apply button and it's inserted successfully, as you can see. So now you can also change the font size from here. You can select a normal, large, or huge font. And you can turn on drop cap option also for showing large initial letters. You can change the color setting from here, background color and text color. Then we can also make changes in documents from this Documents tab here. It has options like tags, excerpt, discussion, etc. After completion, click on this Publish button. Set your visibility, time, and tags, and publish it. So here, it is showing it's live, and you can view your post from here. And here it is, with all the formatting we have done. You can check the backlink from here. It's working just fine. And a little below, you can see your post is uncategorized. So we are done now with our post. Post option on the left side. Click on it. Here you can see all of your posts. Navigate on the one you want to edit, and below the editing options appeared. You can edit, trash, or view. Click on this Edit. It's loading your post for editing. It's our post, and on the right, you can see options to insert, tags, categories, permalink, etc. Click on it. You can directly make changes from here. Back to all posts. Now let's go to Plugins, and from its sub-options, choose this Add New. From here, we can install plugins. Search for the Classic Editor, and here it shows the respective plugin by WordPress contributors and showing 5 million plus active installations. We will install it with this Install button here, and active this plugin by clicking here, so it's activated. Now back to Posts. Click on the Edit button below. So here we have our article for editing. You can notice the changed layout. There's no block option now. This classic editor is simple and easy to use. Go to this Add New. Write your new post title and post content. You can edit the content like this, right from this menu bar here. Bold, italics, and you can insert bullet points also from this option here. Insert multiple bullet points like this, or you can give them numbers. Select them and click on this Numbered Points button. Change the orientation to center, left, right, from here only. Now to categorize this particular post. Go to the Categories option on the right and click on this Add New Category option. Insert your category name in this text box and click on this Add New Category button. So it's added, and you can select it from here only. After setting everything, publish this post from the Publish button. Here on top, it's showing your post is published. View it by clicking on this View Post option. So here it is. your post successfully published with all the formatting you've done. It will look something like this. It's running on 2019 theme. You can save drafts also with draft title and its content. Below, there are WordPress events and news. It's showing recent activity on the site here. Like recent comments, you can trash, edit, or approve it from here. So there are updates. And the next option is posts with its sub-options, then media, and pages with their sub-options. Then comments, appearance, plugins, users, tools, and finally settings with their sub-options. You can also collapse this menu from this. Reopen it. On the top right, we have our account setting. You can edit your profile or log out from here. So that's pretty much everything with the dashboard. Choose sub-option Categories. It's showing all the categories here. To add a new category, insert category name. We can also insert parent category from here. We don't need a parent category, so we will select None. And then click on this Add New Category button. So the category is added successfully. Let's add a new one. Enter name, and we are going to choose one parent category for this. We have just created WordPress, so let's choose it, and click on the Add button. So the subcategory is created under the parent category, WordPress. You can view it from here, and it is showing under its parent category. Let's go to All Posts. Click on it, select your article, and click on this Edit button. So here on the right, you can see all of your categories. Select the category you want your post to be in. You can select just Parent category or Parent with Child category. Your choice, and click on the Update button. We have selected only one category, and it's updated. You can add a new category from here also. Click on it. Add new category. Insert category name, and click on this Add New button. It's added successfully right here. Select the new one, and again, update. Go back to this Categories option, and you can see it's added here also. Now, back to All Posts. Select this Quick Edit option. You can quickly edit the post details here, like the title, and select Categories also, and then click on the Update button. So here the category is added successfully, and the Tags column is empty. So let's go back to the Edit option. Below you can see the text box to insert tags. Insert your desired tags and separate them with comma. So we have separated them with a comma, and it's already instructed here. Click on this Add button. You can also remove them by clicking on this cross option. Then click on this Update button. Here on the left, you also have Tags option. Click on it. Here are all your tags. You can add new from here. Just insert tag name and click on this Add New Tag button. Your tags are added successfully. Now back to All Posts, and again on the Edit option. So in Tags text box, write the initial letters of your tags, and it's suggesting the previously added tag name. Click on the suggestion, and it added them like this. Then click on this Add button. Then Update. Back to All Posts, and you can see added tags are shown here in this Tags column. You can also add from this Quick Edit. On the right, you have Tags box. You can add new tags from here or delete some for this post. Then click on this Update button. Your new added tags have been shown here in the text column. Go back to this tag option on the left, and here also you can see your newly added tags are shown. You can delete the tags if you want. Click on Delete and then OK for confirmation. So your tags have been deleted. Back to All Posts. You can see those deleted tags have already been removed from here. So that's pretty much everything with categories and tags. WordPress dashboard. Go to the Media option on the left bar and click on it. So here it is showing that the media library is empty. You can add new files from this button at the top from this left bar, Add New option. It opens the Upload page. You can drag and drop files here or select files. It's a multi-file uploader and maximum upload size is 32 megabytes. Let's find some images. Search free royalty-free images on Google. Here are various sites that offer free royalty-free images. We will choose this Pixabay. You can see there are so many images here. Choose whichever one you like. Here it has a free download option. You can select the size, then download. Now back on the Upload page, click on this Select Files button and select your image to upload. Now it's uploaded successfully, and you can also drop files to upload here. Let's download one more image. You can also drag and drop the files directly to upload. Drop inside this box to upload. Otherwise, the file will not be uploaded. So now it's uploaded successfully, and you can see it in the list. Go back to the library. Your uploaded images are shown here. Select any one, and on the right, the additional options are available. You can edit image title, caption, description, or you can also edit the image itself. Click on this Edit Image button. Here are the options to crop, rotate anti-clockwise, clockwise, turning upside down, vertical flipping. For cropping, select the button, then set the frame, and choose Save. Now the image is cropped. You can add additional details and save it. Go back to the library by closing this panel. Now to insert images directly in the post, go to the post and choose to Add New. Here you can see on top, Add Media button to add your media files. Let's download some more images, and we are going to add them directly into our posts. So it's downloaded. Choose this Add Media button, and on the Upload panel, drop or select files to upload. After uploading, click on this Insert into Post button. The image is successfully inserted. Select it, and you can change its alignment from these buttons. Click on this Edit Image button. You can change its size, its alignment, and then click on the Update button. So now the changes have been implemented, and save them with this Save Draft button. When you open Media, you can see that the new directly uploaded image has been added in the library automatically. We can see it here. So that's pretty much everything with the Media option. Dashboard, choose this Pages option. Your existing pages are shown here with the page title, and then below we have got editing options including Edit, Trash, and Preview. Click on this View button and it will open your page. Here on top, we have that Add New button. Click on it. You can add new pages by inserting page title, page body content. You can see the page link is automatically generated. Then click on this Publish button. You can view your new page by clicking this View Page option. Your page will look something like this. Now go to All Pages option from Pages, and you can see your newly added page is showing on top. You can also delete some pages by clicking on this Trash option, and here it shows we have one page in the trash. Click on Trash above, and you can delete this page permanently from here. So now the page is deleted permanently. You can confirm it from here. So that's pretty much everything with the Pages option. Dashboard. Go to the Comments option. You can see all your comments here on this page. You can delete this comment, send it to spam, and quickly edit it. Choose this Quick Edit option and your full comment text opens for editing. Edit the comment as you wish and click on this Update Comment button. It's updated. You can delete the comment through this Trash option. Go to the trash above, and if you want, you can restore your comments again. Click on this All option, and here you can see our deleted comment is restored successfully. Now go back to your site's homepage by clicking on our logo. This is our website's homepage, and we'll move to the Comments section. And here you can see all the comments on your site. So now back to WordPress. If we delete the comment here with the Trash option, you can see the comment is automatically deleted from here. Back to WordPress, and click on this above Trash option. You can delete this comment permanently from here. If you want to delete several, you can select Bulk Options and apply it from this Apply button. So now you don't have any comments in the trash. That's pretty much everything with the comments. Press Dashboard, go to the Appearance option, and choose Themes. Inside it, you also have Customize, Widgets, Menus, and Theme Editor options. So these are all the themes. You can see theme details, or you can activate it by this Activate button. Click on it. Go back to your site and refresh your homepage. If you want another theme, activate another. Again, refresh your site's homepage. So this is your new theme. If you need more themes, click on this Add New button. Here, more themes appeared. You can search category-wise, like Popular. Click on it. Lots of themes are available in this category. Similarly, there are so many in the latest. The next is Favorites, which is empty right now. We haven't marked any favorites. Next is Featured Filter. You can specify your search from here. Select Categories and apply filters. Select the features you want and the layout you like, then apply it with this Apply Filters button. So there's no theme with filters. You can again edit your filters with this Edit Filter option here. Make some changes and again apply filters. So the themes that satisfy your filters are showing here. Back to filters. Remove them all with this Clear button. Then again, click on this Apply Filters button. Back to this Featured option. You can also search themes. Insert your search term, and here are all the themes related to your search. You can activate any of them. Select the one you like and preview it by clicking on it. Here, it's showing how it will actually look. You have got a slider here and category layouts. If you don't like it, you can close it from this Close button on top. So let's see another one. it will look something like this. If you like it, click on this Install button. So, it's installed, and then click on this Activate option to activate your installed theme. Here are all our installed themes. Go back to your site and reload it. So your newly selected theme is installed and activated successfully. That's pretty much everything with the themes. Dashboard, go to Appearance. Select this Customize option inside it. On the left, you have all your editing options. Choose Site Identity. You can insert logo from here. Edit the site title and tagline. Also, if you don't want to display them, you can hide them from here. You also have other display customization options below. Select your preferred setting. You can also insert a site icon from here. Customize your settings according to your convenience and then click on this Publish button to implement changes. Click on this Back button to exit this setting. Next is Color Settings. Click on it. First is Header Title Color, and you can select the color according to your choice. It will change just the color of header title, not the subheadings. Next, we have Background Color. This also you can choose accordingly, whichever you would prefer, or you can select Default by clicking on this Default button. Next is the header image. You can hide or insert a new image. Click on this Add New Image button. Select your preferred image from the media library. Click on this Select and Crop button. You can skip cropping or crop it according to the dimensions. And here, your new image is inserted. You can also randomize uploaded headers, and if you don't like the image, you can change it again. Next is Background Image. You can insert one through this Select Image button. Then we have menus, widgets, homepage settings, front page, and theme options. Click on it. Then choose Layout. You can change your site layout from here. Choose which one looks great on your site. Exit from Layout and click on this Publish button. Refresh it, and now you can see all your changes have been implemented successfully. Again, on WordPress, close this theme option. That's pretty much everything with the theme customization. As dashboard, choose Theme Editor from the Appearance option. So here it is, giving us a heads up stating you appear to be making direct edits to your theme in the WordPress dashboard, and it's recommending not to do it. It may break your site, and our changes may be lost. It's also recommending to use a file manager and keep a copy of the original so your data may not be lost. To continue, click on this I Understand button. So this is your site's source code, and on the right, you'll see all the files. Preview your theme functions file, or you can view the main index template single page file. You can also view single post file. This is your file for your post. Go to your site and select one post. So this is your post, and here at the end, you have a comment section. So here we have this end of the loop code. Let's copy the code somewhere before editing. Keep it in a notepad file. Now, delete the part of the code from here and click on this Update File button. Back to your site and refresh it. It's showing an error message stating that the site is experiencing some technical difficulties. If you paste the code again, back to its place. Now, refresh the site and you can see all the changes have been restored. So that's with a single post. You can make changes with the main index file as well. We also have footer option here and a separate theme footer file here. Open it. This is all the coding for your site footer. Same coding file we have for comments as well. And that's pretty much everything with the WordPress theme editor. The WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins. Choose Add New option. You can install plugins from here. Search plugins from Featured, Popular, Recommended, and Favorites. Or you can search it directly from this search box. Let's search something for Contact Form. Here we can see all the relatable plugins. We are going to select the top one. It has 5 million plus active installations and is compatible with our WordPress version with its last updated details. So click on this Install Now button. It's installed. Then click on this Activate button. You can see all your installed plugins here. You can come here directly from this Installed Plugins option. So from here, you can delete some unnecessary plugins or deactivate the ones you don't need. You can also activate it again from here only. After activation, the plugin is added here on the dashboard. So that's pretty much everything with the WordPress plugins. And select Menus. This is your menu editing page. You can create your first menu here. Insert menu name, then click on this Create Menu button. So here it is showing most recent pages. Select the pages you want to add to the menu, and click on this Add to Menu button. You can also insert links in the menu from this Custom Links option. Here enter the URL and text that's displayed with it. Then click on Add to Menu button. You can also add categories. Select the one you want and click on this Add to Menu button. So everything is added successfully here. You just need to drag and drop them in order to set them. Drag it above and drop it. Or drag one inside another and drop it there. This way it will be a submenu of the above one. So set the menus accordingly, and then click on this Save Menu button. Next tab is Manage Locations. Go to it. So here in this theme, we have got 3 locations: primary, secondary, social. Choose the location and the menu you want to display at this location. Then click on the Save Changes. Go back to your site and refresh it. You'll see the menu appeared on your set location. Go back to Edit Menus, and here, change the menu position. Click on Save Menu, and again refresh your site. You can see the positions have been updated here. Now this is one menu. You can create a new one by clicking on this Create a New Menu option. So repeat the process. Give your menu a name, then click on Create Menu button. Again, add menu items, pages, links, posts, categories, whatever you want. Select them and click on Add to Menu button. Now arrange the menu in the order you want, and then click on Save Menu button. Go back to Manage Locations and choose a menu location. Select the menu you want to display at the location and click on Save Changes. Go to your site and refresh it. So here is our Menu 1, and on the right, we have our Menu 2. Menu 2 is Home, WordPress, and then Tips. Go back to Edit Menus. It's Menu 2 showing exact same Home, WordPress, and Tips just like on our site. If you want to edit another menu, select it from this drop-down list and click on this Select button. So Menu 1 is opened for editing. It's Home, About Us, and WordPress, the same as your site. A little below, you can see Delete Menu option, so you can delete the one you want. Select the menu you want to delete and click on this Delete Menu option. It's asking for confirmation because it will be deleted permanently. Click OK to continue, and the menu will be deleted. Back to your site and refresh it. You'll see Menu 1 is the same and Menu 2 has been removed. So this is how you work with WordPress Dashboard. Choose Appearance and then select Widgets from it. Here you can see Sidebar widgets, 4 optional sidebar options, and 4 footer widgets options. Go to your site, and here on the right, you can see all the sidebar widgets. So let's make some changes. Remove any option from here. For example, we remove this Archives widget. Just drag and drop to the left side at the available widget area. Now go back to your site and refresh it. You can see that option has also been removed from here. Below we have Meta option. Now go back to Widgets. Select this Meta option. You can delete this option permanently from here, or you can drag it out. We will remove this Meta option with this Delete option below, and on site, you can see it is already removed from here. So here we have got so many different widgets. If you want to add some more, you can add anything you want from here. Choose the one you want to add and then drag and drop them to their respective positions. For this one, it needs a title and the number of comments you want to show in it. You can set it accordingly and then click on this Save button. If you add pages, it will need different subcategories. If you don't want to fill up, click on this Done button. So it's added. You can change their positions just by dragging and dropping them there. So now we have got 2 recent comments. We will delete one and shuffle it also a little bit more. Then go back to your site and refresh it. You can see your new widgets have been added here. So it is Search, Recent Posts, Categories. Go back to Widgets and you will see it is the same. Search, Recent Posts, Categories in Sidebar Options. Now we will add footer widgets. We have 4 footer widgets in this theme. You can choose the widgets from the sidebar, or you can add new widgets also from the left here. You can add new widgets to footer widget 1 or footer widget 2, or so on. Choose the widget, drag and drop it into the widget position. Now back on site, refresh it, and you can see at the bottom a new footer widget is added. Add the page title and click on this Save button. Again, refresh your site and the name is changed. If you want to change widget position, you can change it from here, and it will be updated on your site also. So that's pretty much everything with the widgets. Thank you for watching. In the next video, we are going to on WordPress Dashboard, choose Users. You have 3 sub-options: All Users, Add New, and Your Profile. You can also edit your profile from here on the top right. Here on top is your username. Click on it to open your profile. You can also click on this Your Profile option of the dashboard to land on this page. Let's go back to Home, and then from Users, choose Your Profile option. So we are back on this page. Here is your username, and you can see it below also, which you cannot change. Then you can enter your first name and last name. Next is your nickname. It is mandatory. Whatever you will enter, you can choose it as your display name from this drop-down list. Enter a new nickname, and you can see it is added in the display name list. So choose your display name. It may be the same as your nickname or different. Now your email ID. It is also mandatory and already filled. Next is your website. Insert your site URL from the search bar. Then you can add some biographical info and your profile picture. After setting everything, click on this Update Profile button. You can also change your password from here. Click on this Generate Password button. It is suggesting a strong password. You can hide it also. Then set the password of your choice. So on top, you'll have Dashboard Settings option. From here, you can change the dashboard's color scheme. Now go to the All Users option, and here it is showing all the users. You can see the role is set to the administrator here. To add a new user, you can go to this Add New button. Also, you can choose Add New option from the dashboard. So click on this Add New button and the form opens. Insert username and email ID as both the fields are mandatory. Then enter first name and last name. Next is your website link. Click on Send User Notification and the notification will be sent on the provided mail ID. Set the role. You can choose subscriber, contributor, author, editor, or even administrator. Set the role and click on this Add New User button. So here we can see the user is successfully added. Here are your email ID and username. You can edit, delete, or view it from here. To delete, click on this Delete and then on Confirm Deletion button. So now the user has been deleted. That's pretty much everything with the user. Here it is showing a tool named Categories and Tags Converter is available to import. Here inside Tools, we have sub-options like Available Tools, Import, Export, Site Health, Export Personal Data, and Erase Personal Data. So choose this Import option from here. And it says if you have posts and comments in another system, WordPress can import those into the site. You just need to choose a system from below to import them. So here we have Blogger, LiveJournal, Tumblr, and WordPress also. It is showing what it will import. So let's install this Blogger. Click on Install Now button. Then click on this Run Importer option. Here you need to upload your Blogger exported XML file. Click on this Choose File button to select the file to upload. And then click on this Upload File and Import button. The next submenu is Export. If you choose this, WordPress will create an XML for you to export. It will contain your posts, pages, and everything else. You have to save the XML file and import it into another WordPress installation to import this site's content. Now choose what you need to export. You can choose all content or anything from posts, pages, contact forms, and media. Select Content and click on Download Export File button. You can see the XML file is downloaded successfully. Next is Site Health. Click on it. So here it is showing important information about your WordPress site. Below it is showing 3 recommended improvements. You need to remove inactive themes, PHP update, and last is your site doesn't use HTTPS. Here it is not a secure site. If you want additional details, click on this arrow, and here it is explaining what exactly you need to fix. It's for all the recommendations, and if you want help with it, you can click on this provided link. So next is Export Personal Data. Click on it. Here it is empty, and showing a message that an email will be sent to the user to the provided email address to verify the export request. The last one is Erase Personal Data. Click on it. Here also the requesters column is empty and it will also verify first before proceeding. So that's pretty much everything with the Tools option to the Settings option. Here you've got General, Writing, Reading, Discussion, Media, Permalinks, and Privacy Settings. Select this General option. So from here, you can edit General Settings. You can edit site title or tagline, and it will be updated automatically on your site. Go to your site homepage and hover it on the tab, and you can see title and tagline here. Scroll below, and you can change more settings like About Your Membership, Default Role of New User. You can also change your site language or time zone. You can also change your date format like it is showing in this post. Select your date format and time format. Next, choose when you want to start your week. After making all the necessary changes, take a look once. Then click on this Save Changes button. Now your changes have been made and you can view them on your site by refreshing it. So here it is showing a new site tagline. Next is Writing option in the settings. Click on it. Here you can set your post category. On your site, post category is displayed on top of the post title like here. So you can change your post category from here. Choose your desired category and then post format. You can choose any format from this drop-down list. Inside Posts, when you click on Add New option, you will see Standard Post Format. But some themes maybe don't have this option, so maybe you just look something like this with its default status, visibility, and publish settings. You can edit each one of them. This is your writing settings, and it can be changed from this writing sub-option in the settings. Go back to the writing, and you'll see next is Setting Default Editor. You can choose Classic Editor or Block Editor, and then an option of switching editors. A little below, you'll see your mail server settings with your login name and password. Then, your update services that will get a notification every time you publish a new post. You can learn more about it from this Update Services link from here. Let's move to Reading in Settings. Here you can set what to display on your homepage. Like on our site, we have displayed posts on our homepage. If you change it to Static Page, and then you need to select what pages you want to display from here. Next, you can set how many blog pages you want to show at most. You can set the numbers accordingly. Then set the number for the syndication feeds Show the Most Recent. You can select to display a full article or a small summary. Then Search Engine Visibility. Do not select it to gain search engine rankings, and then click on the Save Changes button. So here we have set only 2 blog pages at most. Go to your site and refresh it. And you can see it is showing just the 2 posts here. If you change it to 1 and click on Save Settings, you can see on site we have only 1 post. So let's change it back to the original 10 and save changes. Next, click on Discussion. Here you have default article settings, then other comment settings. You can change comment settings like users must be logged in to comment, or show comments, cookies opt-in checkbox, or comment author must fill his name and email address. Then your email settings. It includes when you want to receive emails regarding various activities. Like for comment moderation, below you can set criteria for it. A little below, we have avatars settings. Which avatar you want to choose for your profile. Choose your desired avatars. On your site, open a post, and below you can see the comments section. So select an avatar, like this Gravatar logo, and click on this Save Changes button. Then go to this comment option. This is empty right now, as we don't have any comments. Now back to Settings. We will choose Media. we will set media for our site. So this is the media settings page. You can set images size below, set height and width of thumbnails, then set medium size and large size dimensions. Then select this option of organizing your uploads into months and year-based folders, and save your changes. Next, go to Permalinks option. Here you can change your links settings. Day and name is selected, which shows links will be with day and post name. You can select just post name, or you can custom your link structure. So right now we have day and name link here. Open another post and it's the same. So we have selected this post name and we will click on this Save Changes button. On your site, go to the home page and open any post. On the search bar, you can see the link is updated to post name. The last one is privacy. Click on it. Here you can change your privacy policy. You can select an existing page which you want to use as your privacy policy. Select the page. You can go to All Pages from Pages, and here you can see we have a privacy policy page. Choose Edit and publish the page from this Publish button. Click on View Page and you can see our page is live on our site. So this is our privacy policy page. Back to Privacy option. Here you have an option to create a new page. You can create a new page from here or use an existing one. So that's pretty much everything with the WordPress settings option. Type contact form. So here we have all the related plugins. For the first one, we have 5 million plus active installations. We will install it with this Install Now button. It's installed, and you can activate it from here only. Click on Activate button. So the new plugin is added in Dashboard options on the left. You can deactivate it from below here. Click on this Deactivate button, and that plugin is automatically removed from the dashboard. Activate it again from here only. Refresh your dashboard and the plugin resumed its position on it. Click on this plugin and here we have a shortcode for Contact Form 1. Copy this code and go to Add New option in Pages. We will create a new page with title Contact Us, and in the body we will paste that shortcode, then Publish. Click on View Page, and here is our Contact Us page. Refresh it, and here it is. The form is updated with name, email ID, subject, and then message box. Now from Contact, choose Add New option to add a new contact form. Add form title here, and then we have options like Form, Mail, Messages, additional settings separately. Click on Messages, and here all the messaging details. Error message, thank you message, everything is here. You can change more from additional settings. In Mail, we have everything regarding email ID, like which mail ID the mails will be forwarded to them from, subject, etc. All the details are here. In Form, we have Form Template. Your name, your email, subject, everything is enclosed in the label tag. You can delete one label if you want. And to add a new one, select the tab you want to add. Insert required details like field type, and set required field option, and then click on this Insert Tag button. So here the tag is inserted. Now enclosed it with the label tag. Copy text from above and change field name to phone number, and then close label. So here the new field is added with the desired format. Enter form title of your choice, then click on this Save button. So this is your new form's shortcode. Copy it. Again, go to Pages, Edit to Contact Us page, and change the shortcode with the new one in the body, then Update. View page, and you'll see instead of the subject, we have a field named Phone Number here. The rest is the same. Go back to Contact and choose Integration. You can integrate services from here like Constant Contact and CAPTCHA in the form. So that's pretty much everything with the contact form. Users, and select your profile option in it. Here, a little below, it is showing your profile picture option. Click on this Gravatar link below and open a new tab. WordPress Gravatar site is opened, and you need to sign in first. You can log into Gravatar using your WordPress account. Go to your email account, and we have a mail from WordPress. Open it, and inside you'll see a confirmation button. Click on it. So now your email ID is confirmed. Now back on the Gravatar page. Click on this Approve button. It will redirect you to the Manage Gravatars page. So now you don't have any images. You can add one by clicking on this Add One by clicking here Link. Here we have 4 options. You can upload a new one, or from URL, or choose from past uploads, or from webcam. We will choose this Upload New. Then this Choose File button. Choose your desired image, and then click on the Next button. You can crop your image accordingly. You have a small preview and large preview. Set the dimensions, and click on the Crop Image button. Then rate your Gravatar. Rate G is suitable to display for everyone. Rate PG is containing some rude gestures and provocating dressing and mild violence. Rate R is containing harsh profanities, intense violence, nudity, or hard drug use. And Rate X is containing hardcore sexual images and extreme violence. So set your rating and click on Set Rating button. So your Gravatar is updated. It is showing here with your email ID. You can remove the image or again change your rating. On WordPress also, you'll have your Set Gravatar. So that's pretty much everything with the Gravatars. On the WordPress dashboard, go to Posts. Here you can see all your posts. Choose a post and Edit option. Here is your full post, and move the pointer to the position where you want to insert media. Now choose this Add Media button on top. It will open your media library, and you can upload new files in it from Upload Files tab. So back to the media library. Select one file from it and click on Insert into Post button. So your image is inserted on decided position. Click on the image and then on this Edit button. Set display settings from here, alignment and size, and then click on the Update button. So the image is set. Then click on the Update button on the right. Now view your post by clicking on this View Post link. So now you can see the image is inserted into the post. For video, first set media alignment from the top editing bar. Choose Media Position and click on Center Alignment button. Go to this Text tab, and here, right on this position, you can see the text alignment is set to center. Now let's get the video from YouTube. On YouTube, we will select a video. Play it, and below you'll see a Share option. Click on it. Choose this Embed icon, and you'll get embedding code. Copy it from here. Go back to WordPress and paste it before p tag like this. Now go back to Visual, and you can see your video is inserted here successfully. Click on Update. Go back to Post and refresh it. You'll see the post is updated with the video. You can also play the video. Click on this play button and the video is working just fine. So that's how you can insert images and videos to your posts. Thank you for watching. In the next and choose Reading from it. Here in your homepage displays, you can see an option of the static page. Choose this option, and then for the homepage, you will have an option to select one from all the pages you have created till now. Go to Pages, and you can see all your pages here. You can edit any one of them from here only. So back to Settings and Reading. We are going to select Static Page and our About Us page for Home page. Then you can select one post page and save your changes from this button. So your changes will be saved successfully. So that's pretty much everything with the static pages. And choose Add New. In the search bar, search for Favicon. We are going to install the first one with Install Now button and then activate it from here only. Hover on Appearance and you'll see the Favicon plugin is activated. Click on it. Now we need to select the favicon. Click on this Select from the Media Library button. In the Media Library, you can see your media files. Let's find a picture for favicon on Google. I am going to choose this clicker.com to find free clip arts. Click on it, and from this site you can search hundreds of clip arts. In the Love category, we have so many pages. We will choose this red heart. Go with medium size, and you can download it directly from here. Give it a name, and it's downloaded. Now drag and drop it in your media library to upload the picture. It's uploaded. Select it, and click on this Select button. Then on this Generate Favicon button. It's preparing the favicon editor. The new favicon is loaded, and it has been fixed by adding transparent margins. Click on this Continue with this picture. So here a little below, we have favicon for Windows, and at last we have Generate Your Favicons and HTML Code button. Click on it. Here the notification says you need to keep this plugin active and the favicon will be displayed if you deactivate it, and it will not affect your site's performance. You can check your favicon by clicking on this Check Your Favicon button. It's checking favicon, and here you have it for Mac OS and then for classic desktop browsers. So go back to your site and refresh it, and you can see the favicon is updated successfully on your site and on your WordPress dashboard also. That's how you insert or change a favicon in your WordPress site. Start with WordPress dashboard. Go to Plugins and click on Add New. In the search bar, search for Google Analytics, and we're going to install the first one in the recommendation. Activate it from here only. So it's activated, and you can see it here on the dashboard. Click on it. So first you need to create a free analytics account and watch a video tutorial for help. Click on this Create Free Analytics Account. It's taking us to creating a Google Analytics account page. To create a new account, you need to click here on this link. So it's taking us to analyticsgoogle.com. So these are the steps we need to follow. Let's start with this Sign Up button. Enter your account name, your website name, and website URL. Copy it from the top search bar and paste it here. Remove HTTPS as it's already inserted. Then select your industry category. You have got so many categories here. Select the one for your business. Then set your time zone. Scroll down and click on Get Tracking ID. Inside this dialog box, select this option of accepting data processing terms and GDPR requirements. This is for cookies acceptance notification like here, and below check another acceptance box and click on I accept button and make sure you read it before accept. It's loading. And here it is, showing an option of downloading a mobile app. If you want, you can download the app. So here on top is our tracking ID. Go back on WordPress. Now click on this Authorize Plugin button. It needs your access code, which you can get it for one-time use from this link here. It will take you to Gmail. Sign into your Gmail account. Click on Allow, and here's the code. Copy it from this copy button here and paste it in your WordPress. And then click on Save Access Code. So it's activated. And here you can see your tracking ID, which is the same with your analytics account. On top, you have Authorization, Cache, Report, and Reset Errors option. Choose this backend settings option from the dashboard. Here you can edit your backend settings options, location settings, etc. Next is front-end settings, which includes report settings. Next, choose tracking code. Here you have basic settings, events tracking, custom definitions, exclude tracking, advanced settings, integration, and you have all the details. The last one is error and debug. It will give all your error details. Back to Google Analytics. And that's how you can install and work with Google Analytics on WordPress. Thank you for watching.